it's your girl Tamia, Kiara, and you're tuned into yet another video here on my channel. So yay for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. As you saw by the title, today I'm going to be redoing my entire bedroom. I'm going to take you guys through the whole process from start to finish. Obviously, I'm in my bedroom now that it's done. As you can see, I have a cute little collage wall. My walls are blue. If you've been subscribed to me for a minute now, you know that my room used to be completely white. So I'm really happy about this. It took me about a week to do, so not too long, but it came out super cute and I just can't wait for you guys to see the process. So stay tuned to see the entire process of me redoing my room, including a collage wall, painting it, hanging up paintings, putting up LED lights, the whole thing. So stay tuned, it's definitely gonna be a good one. So I've now moved everything over. As you can see, my bed was on that wall, now it's here. I put my nightstand behind my bed. This is moved off the wall because I'm first painting this wall gray, and then I'm also gonna paint this wall gray as well. This gray that's right over here. I put everything on my bed. We're gonna put some plastic bags down on the floor so I don't get paint on my floors, and get to work. So I started by using a Swiffer duster just to dust off my walls to make sure that when I do start to paint, no dust mixed with the paint or anything like that. So I just got every part of my wall. Then I went in with some tape. You just want to make sure that you're using delicate tape so that it doesn't damage your wall. And I taped around my outlet strip just so that, you know, I could have a clean look. Honestly, you could screw out the plate, but I was too lazy to get a screwdriver. So here I am taping the outlet strip. I also taped up around all the borders of the wall just for clean lines. As you can see, I taped all the borders of my room, and now I'm getting ready to do the paint, and then y'all gonna see me paint this room. I just opened up this can using the can opener. They gave me at Ace Hardware. It came for free, and this is the charcoal gray color from Benjamin Moore. And you just want to mix your paint before you start painting to make sure everything is perfect. Pour it in the thing and then you're ready to go. I am about to do the first stroke of paint. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So I just started painting. I was super excited to paint. The gray color was super easy, it dried super fast. And all the brushes I'm using are also from Ace Hardware. They came in a kit. Update, as y'all can see, we have some gray on the wall. This is the first coat of paint. It looks pretty good. I'll show y'all in a second how it actually looks. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit to see like how it dries before I go in with the second coat or anything like that. This is how we're looking. We've got It's the next day now. The wall has completely dried. It looks really good. I'm about to go ahead and tape the other side of my wall. I thought I was gonna do the blue paint first, but I just want to knock all the gray out the way, and then I'll move on to the next color because I still have to go to Ace Hardware to pick up the blue paint because when I went to go pick it up last time they didn't have it or anything like that. So I'm about to just go ahead, do this wall gray. Today I'm going to try to finish everything that I want to be gray, let it dry, and then tomorrow I'm going to go ahead, pick up the blue paint and start painting things blue. So let's just get into that. I'm going to do the same routine that I did yesterday with this wall, painting it, taping it, making sure, you know, that I prevent as much as possible the paint getting on the floor or anywhere that's not supposed to be. I'm going to show you guys, probably checking with you guys once I'm like midway through painting the wall, because I'm not going to show you the taping and everything because it's literally going to be the same thing that I did for this wall. Alright y'all, so I'm back with the update. It's the same day, just a lot later. I ended up painting the entire wall. I didn't check in with you guys because like I said, it was the same thing I did on the wall you guys already saw, so I didn't want it to be too repetitive. But I ended up finishing the wall, so all the gray is done, thank God. This wall was a lot harder. This is the side I just painted. So as you can see, I taped it up the same way and then painted the whole thing around the outlets and everything like that. So it came out pretty good. if you ask me. That's my sweater from earlier, don't mind it, got paint on it. I'm gonna let this wall dry as well as the wall that I did yesterday. The gray is done. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So we're almost halfway through the process. I got the 2 walls done gray, as you guys have seen. I'm going to peel the tape off of the walls now and show you guys the reveal of how the gray turns out and all of that good stuff, because it is completely dry now and I'm about to get ready to paint the walls blue. So I just started by peeling off that tape so that, you know, I could get ready for the blue. This blue is from Clark and Kensington. It's called Bali Blue. And yeah, I just stirred it up and got it all ready to go. Poured that bad boy in the tray, rolled it up, and then got ready to paint it on my wall. This blue color was a little bit patchier, but honestly, I don't regret it because blue is my favorite color, but it was a little bit harder to paint than the gray. So I'm back and I'm better because my room walls are dry. Thank the Lord in heaven. My room walls are dry, so everything is looking buenissimo. I will say, if you're doing your room these colors, like if I inspired you in some way, I don't know about the blue. The blue, I really love blue. It's my favorite color, so I don't regret painting my room blue, but I think the brand of paint I chose wasn't the best because I feel like it was patchier. It was a lot harder to get each coat to look very even, whereas the gray was Benjamin Moore brand and it was super easy. Like, there's no patches, you could do one coat, like you're in, you're out with the gray. It's mad simple. But the blue was a little bit patchier and a lot less forgiving. Also, I'm not a professional painter, so that could have been the issue, but who knows. Anywho, we're not done yet because I got some other stuff for my room. I got these LED lights for my room. They're supposed to be Bluetooth, so like I could do it with the remote or I could hook it up to my phone. I bought a mirror for my room. This is the mirror, it's pretty cute. And then I have some like art or posters or whatever that I want to hang up. I also want to do a collage wall on this blue wall right here behind me, so y'all are going to get to see that too. But I'm going to start today by just hanging up the lights. The LED lights were self-adhesive, so they were pretty easy to hang up. Alright, so lights are on. I'm going to just plug them in, let's see what happens. Oh, we did it. The lights are on. The lights are okay. Alright, y'all, so we are back. I hung up all of those paintings. As you already saw, I did the lights. You can kind of see them up there, and I hung up all the art in my room. It came out really cute, really nice, and it was art that I had already had up in other rooms and things like that. And I'm not sure exactly where I got each thing from, but a majority of it is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx in my local area. So if you want some cute stuff, I would definitely recommend checking out those places if you want some wall decor. Anywho, for this big blank blue wall, I want to do that collage wall that you always see on Pinterest or just on people's Instagrams in their background. I'll put some pictures of what I'm thinking of, and I want to do that to this blue wall right here. I also got this decently sized mirror, full-length mirror. It's a little skinny, but it's good enough for my room because this wall that I'm doing it on isn't that big. And then I got these removable mounting putty. It's by Scotch. I just got 2 packs of that from Target. I also have 112 pictures. That sounds like a lot of pictures, but it's really not that many. But I got 112 pictures that I printed out from Snapfish, and these were like somewhere between 5 to 9 cents each. So if you're looking to do this, I definitely recommend going on Snapfish and getting them, because you can get them delivered to your house, or you can get them to be picked up at like a Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, something like that. So I really like doing this because it's more cost effective than, like, I guess, ordering pictures from somewhere else, because I've seen some people say they paid like a ton of money just to get the pictures to do this collage wall. And so I'm just going to trace it out to see where the mirror would go, and then align my pictures around that, stick them on with the putty, and get to it. So y'all are about to see me do that. Hopefully this comes out cute. Hopefully this comes out as planned. And after that, I'm done with my room. So we're almost there. We're this close. Alright, so to finish up my room, I put this mirror on my wall. Before putting it up, I traced it out so I could see exactly where it was gonna go, make sure it was straight. And then I got all my pictures laid out on my bed, all 112 pictures, just so that I could see what they looked like and what should go with what. Then before putting them up, I just stuck them each with this mounting putty so that they would stick on the wall. I do recommend getting a matte finish for your photos so that you don't have to worry about the light reflecting off, because the glossy finish, it was just like too much high shine for this collage wall. Another recommendation would be to get different size pictures. A majority of my pictures were the same size, but I did get some of them a little bit smaller just so that, you know, I could put them in between the pictures and really make it look like a collage instead of just a bunch of pictures next to each other. Now I'm just being really picky about where I'm putting each picture, because you want the pictures to complement each other and just look really nice next to each other. Next, my mom came in and helped me put my mirror up. She used a leveler to make sure it was straight, and then took some nails, banged them into the wall so that it would hang. And then we both put the mirror up. It was pretty simple, pretty easy, and it hangs pretty sturdily. That's it for my room. Okay, so after a week of redecorating my room, I got everything to come out exactly how I wanted it to, including this collage wall with the mirror, the LED lights. Everything just looks super cute. You'll also notice in the before and after, which is coming up real soon, that I added a few little touches to my room. I added a shoe rack just so that, you know, when I'm coming in and out of my house, if I'm wearing a pair of shoes, I could just throw them on the rack, and extra shoe storage, to be honest. I added an aloe plant to my room and a Himalayan salt lamp just because I like how it looks, and just a few little cute touches. But my room all in all came out exactly how I wanted, and I'm really excited for you guys to see the before and after, so here they are. So I hope you guys enjoyed my room. I hope you guys liked how it turned out, because I definitely do. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because I think my channel is pretty lit at this point. And if you like this video, you probably like my other content too. So tune in, watch some other videos while you're here. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.